Remember those frequency tables you worked with earlier? Well, I have a question for you. Where did you get the values that populated the cumulative relative frequency column? You got them from the relative frequency column. Think about it. In the cumulative relative frequency column, the value in each row was equal to the sum of all of the relative frequencies that you had seen up to and including that row. Let's say, for example, you're looking at row 4 of the cumulative relative frequency column, and you have a value. Well, where did that value in row 4 come from? Well, it was the sum total of all 4 entries of the relative frequency column that you've already seen. Just as the individual values in your CRF, your cumulative relative frequency column, are derived from the relative frequency column, even so are your CDF function values derived from the PDF values.